Hey shoppers, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Folks, this is a rare one for me to have. I don't buy these expensive cars much, but I love them. This is one of the last of the 4Runners built to last, and that's just my opinion. You can do your own research on it. But this is a 2017 Toyota 4Runner TRD 4-wheel drive, 220,000 miles on it, one owner. This one came from a wonderful couple at my church. They bought it brand new. I've got the title with 22 miles on the title, and it is in excellent shape. Black on black, trailer hitch, alloys, leather, heated seats, Bluetooth backup camera, and the TRD package, which involves a bunch of nice little off-road amenities, as well as that cool hood scoop right there. Also has a sunroof. Inside is about flawless except for a little wear on the floor mat. 222 on the mileage. They never had a lick of trouble out of it. Took great care of it. Four-wheel drive engages just like it should. Heated seats work. Here's some of the off-road extras. Crawl mode and multi-terrain mode. You've got your differential locker there. Garage door controls right there. Power window switches, power sunroof switches. There's your Bluetooth controls. This TRD 4Runner is in awesome shape. Awesome shape all the way around. Back seats are perfect. Rear carpets, floor mat, headliner, little nets behind the seats. Everything is in perfect condition. It also has the rear power sliding glass window that actually goes down into the hatch. That's the iconic 4Runner. What is it called? What is it called whenever something always has that feature? I don't remember. You know what I'm trying to say. It's a 4Runner thing. So folks, if you're looking for a nice one, you won't find one much nicer. Give me a call at 803-853-4300. TurnageMotorco.com. Thanks for watching.